So we are asked, what is the remainder of p of x when divided by 2x minus 3? Is 2x minus 3 a factor of p of x? So remember the trick to find the remainder. You set 2x minus 3, or whatever you're dividing by, equal to 0, and then solve for x. So 2x is going to equal 3, x is going to equal 3 over 2. That's what you plug in to your p of x. Okay, so wherever you see an x, you're going to plug in 3 over 2. And then you can figure out that number. So this will give us a remainder of 0. So is 2x minus 3 a factor of p of x? Well, if your remainder is 0, then it is a factor. So yes, 2x minus 3 is a factor because the remainder is 0.